All right, it's Wednesday, March 27th. Just following up on Apple, you can see it's continuing higher here on bar number 2 and now starting bar 3. I've decided to play it very conservative and just scaled out of some of the position. I bought the stock at 172.32, a little late, and then I scaled out at 172.75. Again, ideally, I would have liked to have bought this close to the 172 area, and then I could have been scaling out up here and had a break even stop to the midpoint of the first bar. In this case, I still think on the daily chart we're heading up here to take out that 173 area, but you never know for sure. So 2-up day with a target up here. That's why I like the strength of this one to start. So it's a good directional move on Apple today. Now it's at no risk for me. If it wants to kind of fail in here, I could exit at break even and then look for a kind of a another secondary move to those targets. If we don't get it on this first move up, ideally we get above 173 now, and then we'll see on a directional day, on this green day, if it heads up higher. On the weekly chart, we have a potential 2-down failure developing 3 days into the week. We took out the low of these 2 bars here, didn't really reach this low, and now we're starting green on the week. So we'll see if we can get up through the midpoint of that week. If we can do that, the 174 area, then we may be getting an outside week if things really strengthen. Hard to say, but it's also possible this could be the only move up during the week, and by the end of the week we come down and take out the next target on the downside, but we'll have to get through the open. So that's some of the big picture stuff that's developing. Again, I like the strength out of the gates here. I'm kind of at no risk right now. We'll just see if we get a little push up here in the morning. Again, 173 should be the target, and then we'll see 15-minute chart what happens from there. Once that level's hit, this would be kind of compound broadening action for this bar, lower lows here, and then ultimately higher highs into this gap. So this gap's going to kind of be a big thing in the big picture for Apple, whether we can get above kind of the 174, 175 area or not. If not, then maybe this weekly chart resumes back to the downside. So anyway, just kind of following up on Apple, how I'm monitoring it, and we'll see if this is one of the stock that stays strong for the rest of the day.